All right, it's Bryar Perry here. You may or may not know me. If you don't, lucky you. This is episode 1 of I don't know how many, and I don't know what it's called. I am at Sacramento Airport, about ready to pick up Jimmy Albertson. We get him in my van. It's a truck. And we'll be on our way to go race Mammoth. We're gonna have fun, suck each other's dicks, because that's what fucking friends do, dude. So, tag along. Or don't, I don't give a fuck.
You know what time, check it out. 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2. Check this out, check this out, check this out. Yeah. 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2. Check this out, check this out, check this out. Yeah.
Old school.
1 2 1 2 1 2.
Long time. Go back Thursday. You ride?
We're just gonna vlog the whole time.
Oh god. That's what I wanted. That's all I'm getting ready for.
Sacramento, baby.
Dude, I freaking
Have AIDS?
yeah, that too. But this morning, I have my alarm set for obviously 3:30, I think is when I wake up for the flight. My flight actually didn't get canceled. I missed my flight, by the way.
Nice for telling.
Yeah, I was like, yeah, I'm just gonna tell him it was good. I was like, I'm not gonna lie to him. So, last night I was just like done doing everything, and I plugged my phone in, and I fell asleep watching Office on my phone, and it wasn't it. You know when you plug your phone in, but you gotta turn the cable around and stick it in, or lick it, or do something, or put it in your butthole for a little bit, yeah, before you stick it in. Well, that's what it did. And so my phone wasn't charging, and my phone alarm didn't go off because it was dead.
Can't keep running away. Can't keep running away.
Baby mama's in love. Got that baby mama drama. Calling me about that child support payment. Oh, is it the moo? Oh, is it the moo?
Let's see someone cuter than you.
Is it the moopies?
What's on her head? She get an owie?
Oh, what happened? Did you drop her?
Again?
You dropped her again? Yeah.
Who the fuck stops on the road?
Don't cuss. My daughter's on the phone. Don't fucking cuss. I'm talking to my daughter.
Imagine getting rolled over by that, though.
I tell you what, before I masturbated on Sunday, I went a whole week without masturbating before my regional. You could have ran my cock over with that and it wouldn't have hurt it.
It would have been a speed bump.
It would have broke the roller on the steamroll. It's like, oh man, you put a flat spot on the roller with your cock. Say something dumb.
Good to see y'all working.
You're a grown-ass. You're a grown-ass man. I would have really liked to hear what the rest of that sentence was. You're a grown-ass man.
I must have been on some occasions. I went out like
Alright, Virgin Mammoth Bar.
Oh yeah. So good.
Shut that fucking bike off.
Idiots. They don't got the red plates on their two-stroke either, so.
It's like you won last year.
Yep. They knew. Well, I didn't win last year, but they knew.
They know.
They knew if I would have been here, I would have won. So they just gave me the red plates off the bat.
Whose bike you riding?
Justin Heff. I believe it is. Fast House. I think the Fast House crew kind of built it with them. I don't know. But anyway, they let me ride the bike. I'm so stoked. Thank you, Justin Heff. Thank you, Fast House. This thing rips. I was like pacing you up the hill. That's how good it was on video.
I'm a novice, so that's not saying.
Yeah, but you know how to twist the grip. Crack.
Okay, that's it.
Yeah.
They package it now?
Yeah, you put crack and water in it. Makes it go fast.
I'm feeling the way that I'm feeling myself. Fuck everyone else. Gotta remember that nobody's better than anyone else here. Look what they do to you. Look what they do to me. You must be joking if you think that either one is free here. Get up off your knees, girl. Stand face to face with your God.
You won.
Dude, those switchbacks this morning, I don't even know, I don't think I'm even letting off, like just second gear wide open. I was talking to my brother last night, told him I was riding a 125 today, and he said, don't be afraid to ride it like an asshole. Leave it wide open, everything. So I was like, in my head, I'm like, I'm gonna ride this thing like an asshole. I feel like so factory this weekend. I got people working on my bike.
That's how we do it over here, man.
They're pouring race fuel in it, which I can't afford. I have new gear, new helmet, new goggles.
Actually,
I
think
have
be-
laminated tear-offs.
That jack's
and
more your
2
chain
film
too,
guys.
film guys.
Film the filmer, filming me. It's like catfish.
Think it's chain sign up?
So why number 0?
You know, nobody has a number 0. I'm a basketball fan. 0 is a popular number for basketball. And I was just thinking, like, I don't want a 3-digit number. Like, 3-digit numbers are just like, ugh. I could be number 0, and what's better than number 1? 0.
That's about Trey
Trey Kennard said he told me that gelatin will boost my testosterone levels, so eat gummy bears.
Okay.
I mean, if Trey Kennard says it, it has to be true. He doesn't lie.
I thought you were off eating dick-shaped foods.
I'm too horny.
They're so addictive.
I'm too horny. I gotta eat dick-shaped food. Alright, time to kick the shit out of some 15-year-olds.
Alright, so what class is this?
Pretty much schoolboy.
Do you feel like you're back in like 03 at like World Minis racing?
Yeah, it's okay though, because I never graduated high school, so I feel like I could technically still be a schoolboy.
And we've made it clear like you identify as a 15-year-old.
I identify as a 15-year-old, for sure.
Makes it okay.
It makes it way okay. I mean, honestly, like, back to school to prove to daddy that I am not a fool.
I got my lunch packed up, my boots tied tight. I hope I don't get in a fight. Oh, back to school.
Say it's what you get. Fishing for the answer with a lie and sinker. Rock on me and don't forget. Hard to get a grip and don't be broken. What you say is what you get. Fishing for the answer with a lie and sinker. Rock on me and don't forget. Hard to get a grip and don't be broken fingers. But today I don't feel pretty, and I'm tired of trying to fit right in. Don't think that you're so great, 'cause being great must suck. We don't always see the bright side. We all need
Good race. Well, we were just talking about the race. If I could have got around that 105 on the 4th lap when I caught up to him, and I would, because I had a pass where I thought I could get on him in the switchbacks, because I was actually gaining on everybody in the switchbacks, but as soon as I hit the hill, it was like
Game over.
all those 125-pound kids. See ya.
Jimmy was mad you didn't prep his gate for him.
That's why I lost.
Tell Jimmy. You lost because you were terrible.
Because I didn't have a woman to sweep my damn gate, and I don't know how to. I don't know how to use
Tell him he's
a
fat.
man.
He looks so fat in those pants.
You know, are you gonna hold my umbrella next month?
Pretty sure he looks so fat in those pants.
Eating donuts,
He's been eating everything under the sun.
eating tubs of butter.
Like number 0, Albertson.
Like 125 or something.
I'm 180.
180?
Yeah.
Bike's got 67 hours. You're gonna try and shoot.
Oh, dude, it's gonna be 69 by the end of the weekend. I can tell. Well, no excuses. I lost.
How's the kids race?
I mean, it was tough. You know, the problem is I got this gas and beer, and those little kids don't got the beer.
Yeah.
They got about 69 pounds on me, the other direction.
It's all right.
Lighter. But it was still fun, man. I had a blast. Fun battling with kids.
Santina said you're fat.
You know, we know what's fat on me.
We don't gotta say it.
I'll stop it, okay? I'm gonna get some, you know, she might think I'm fat now, but you know, when we're married and have kids later on, she won't say that to me. She'll be nicer to me.
She'll fall in love with the dad.
She's gonna fall in love with me.